You're at work for so much of your day. You should be happy and want to come to work every day. And I think the people have a huge part in that.
Here at Headspace, we have an amazing team of individuals from different walks of life, and everybody has a different story.
You know, welcome emails go out, and you read the bios of people, you're just like, wow, who are these people? It's so different, it's so eclectic.
Company vision is to improve the health and happiness of the world, but like, how do we achieve that internally? So like, how are we building this really healthy, happy place to work?
One huge difference about working at Headspace is, you know, the daily meditations.
Yeah, just take a moment.
The fact that that's encouraged here is kind of amazing.
You know, if we sit and meditate every day and understand how it works and what our users are going through, I think that's really important in terms of building a really good, authentic product. But I think culturally, in terms of as a place to work, you know, if we meditate, people will feel the benefits of that.
We are building out not just a company, but an entire category. And I mean, that is a tough challenge.
There's no blueprint for a lot of things. If you are the type of person that likes figuring that out on your own and kind of having the autonomy to build what you want to build, this is the place.
Meditation and mindfulness itself is nothing new, but the concept of bringing it to a smartphone is.
We're really the first company to be doing what we're doing in the way that we're doing it and trying to be so thoughtful about it.
With 20 million plus downloads, the opportunity to have such a huge impact on actually the health and happiness of the world, I feel inspired every day.
Headspace is the main goal of it, is to have people live a healthier and happier life. And I mean, that's something that you have to, as an employee here, just have to value and appreciate.
When you really step back and say, like, actually, that's what we're all focused on, that's incredible that we get to come and think about this stuff every day.
Are you smart? Are you capable? Can you get the job done? And do you genuinely have like a good energy and good way about yourself? That comes in all different shapes, sizes, colors, backgrounds, and I think that Headspace is able to sift through a lot of that and get to the heart of like what people are really about.
One of the best things about working here, I think, is the people you meet. Like, if you say that you work for Headspace, people like suddenly light up. Wherever you are, it's amazing.
At a party or something, and they're just like, oh, what do you do for work? And I'm like, oh, I work at Headspace. And then they just stop and they're like, I use Headspace all the time. And the fact that people are so excited to share that with me is huge.
It's something which never gets boring, and that motivates you so much just to come in and do really good work and help us achieve our vision.
A lot of people, surprisingly, just write in to tell us how much of an impact our product has made in their lives.
I just wanted to say thank you, Headspace, simply for existing.
Your wonderful app, easy to follow videos, instructions, and most importantly, guided meditations have provided me the tools needed to understand the mind more than ever before.
I have a renewed and growing joy for life, more peace of mind, and more compassion in my heart.
Dear Headspace, thank you for your life-changing product.
I am constantly becoming the person I want to be to thrive in this busy, hectic world.
I do see a change in my emotions and my mood.
Can't emphasize hard enough how grateful I am to have found you.
Now I'm the happiest and healthiest I've been in years.
For this, I am forever grateful.
Thank you for your product and all you are doing to help improve the mental well-being of people across the world.
Anyway, I'm a big fan. Looking forward to integrating more Headspace into my life.
Words cannot express my gratitude. Quite simply, thank you. Sincerely, John.